I'm gonna eat the spiciest chip in the world according to the internet, and I genuinely don't think it's gonna be that hot, so I'm gonna eat it without any type of like drink or anything. Here's the chip. Bang, looks like a Dorito. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's really dry. It's not that bad. Like, okay. Okay, maybe not. Holy fuck. Oh fuck. That was bad. Oh fuck. Fuck you, milk. Why was I so confident?
I don't know.
I figured if they sell it at Walmart, it can't be that hot. It's that hot. I'm gonna have a heart attack. Thank you, Jimmy. Oh my god. That was so bad. I can't even think. I think it's slowing down. No, it was back. It's like coming in waves. It's like a 3 out of 10 hot. This is worth eating.